1983 Mercedes-Benz 300D Turbo Diesel Sedan. Price $16,75. Location: Chicago. The 1983 Mercedes-Benz 300D Turbo Diesel is not just an old luxury sedan. It is one of the toughest and most respected diesel cars ever built. At first glance, the classic white exterior, paired with the elegant blue interior, instantly gives this W123 Mercedes a timeless presence that still turns heads more than 4 decades later. With only 97,000 original miles, this sedan represents an era when Mercedes engineered cars to last for generations instead of just a few years. The legendary 3.0-liter inline 5 turbodiesel engine under the hood is the real star of this machine. Famous for its incredible reliability, this diesel power plant became known worldwide for reaching 500,000 miles and beyond with proper maintenance. The smooth automatic transmission, power steering, and 4-wheel disc brakes make this classic Mercedes feel solid and refined even by modern standards. Every door closes with that famous heavy Mercedes sound that enthusiasts love so much. The exterior styling perfectly captures the golden age of German luxury cars. The quad headlights, amber fog lamps, chrome bumpers, and iconic 14-inch Bond alloy wheels create a design that feels classy, powerful, and unmistakably vintage. Unlike many modern cars filled with aggressive lines and oversized grills, the W123 delivers elegance through simplicity. This is the type of car that quietly commands respect everywhere it goes. The cabin is a beautiful reminder of 1980s Mercedes craftsmanship. Inside, you will find blue upholstery, Vito instrumentation, a 4-spoke steering wheel, wood trim accents, and the original Becker Grand Prix radio that keeps the authentic atmosphere alive. Features like cruise control, power windows, dual mirrors, a factory sunroof, and a spacious trunk make this luxury sedan practical enough for long distance cruising even today. Everything inside feels designed with durability and comfort in mind. The most impressive part about this Mercedes-Benz is the level of care it has received over the years. The car comes with a clean Carfax report, along with more than $12,000 in maintenance receipts documenting recent investments between 2023 and 2026. That means this classic diesel has not only survived the decades, but it has also been properly preserved for the next owner to enjoy. Finding a W123 in this condition is becoming harder every single year. The 1983 Mercedes-Benz 300D Turbo Diesel remains one of the greatest examples of old-school engineering ever created. It combines legendary durability, timeless luxury, and everyday usability into one unforgettable package. Whether you are a collector, a diesel enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates classic automotive excellence, this W123 proves that true quality never goes out of style.